And what's good, y'all? It's your boy Roy. Another day, another blessing. Glad to be back. It's been about 3 months since my last video, but I'm glad to be back, y'all. Had to take care of a few things, get some things situated, and we're back to being active. A whole lot more ideas and courage to actually try these ideas now, y'all. As y'all can see from the title of today's video, I'm gonna be teaching my nephew how to drive in my 335i, y'all. He sort of has an idea of how to drive, but definitely hasn't drove something like this before. I am a little worried, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, but I do trust him. You know what I mean? I know he's gonna take care of the car, but I'm not as worried because this car can't spin out or nothing. It is an X-Drive, it's an all-wheel drive car, so that part keeps me like a little bit reassured that everything's gonna be all right. We're gonna get this video started, y'all. I'm a little nervous. Here's my nephew. Hey, yo, bro locked himself inside. Bro ain't even ready.
I am ready.
This is my nephew right here. What's your name? What's your name?
Ruben.
How you feeling?
Good.
You nervous? Nah, not at all.
I'm gonna whip this shit.
Yeah? You're hyped up?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's get to it. Come on, hop in real quick. The driver's side, bro. Come on.
Okay.
Bro thinks it's a right-hand drive. Yes, sir. You hyped up?
Huh?
You hyped up?
Yeah.
How you feeling 1 to 10? How confident are you right now? 10? All right, shut the door real quick. Let me hop in. All right, y'all. I don't like the way he was revving it, y'all. He's kind of scaring me. We're gonna get this going though. All right. He's never drove this before, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I've never let anybody else drive this car neither. This is the very first time. And it's my 15-year-old nephew. But all right, let's get a look. Just put it in drive. Look at it, and then put it in sport. Just go over it, all right, and then just leave it like that. It's gonna shift for you, all right?
Okay.
All right, go ahead, just start driving. All right, just cruise for now. I'm not that worried though, Ruben, because like I said, you know, it's all-wheel drive, so we don't gotta worry about spinning out or nothing.
Yeah.
This thing hooks and books. Make a left real quick. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I trust him.
You gotta put a seatbelt.
I ain't gonna lie. A seatbelt?
Yeah.
Hey, yo, hold up. Hold up, what's going on, bro? Safety first?
Yep.
Alright. Okay, hold up. Once we get straight, you can take off a little bit, hold up. Also, shout out to Ty's Auto Works, my boy. You know we got the hoodie on. Yes, sir. Shout out to Ty's Auto Works. Check him out. Here's his IG. Bro, do not hit this guy right here, bro. We're both cooked. Hey, yo. All right, hold on. Go ahead, go. All the way, go ahead. All right, there. Bro's trying to go like halfway throttle at first, huh? How does it feel?
Feels good. Is that the
Alright,
same
hold
guy?
on. Slow down real quick. Alright, full throttle. Go. Right there. Slow down. Bro's about to get like 20 points.
30.
Bro wanted to get a video on the phone real quick. Let me see it. Who's this vid for?
Nice.
Oh, that was the first one. Go to the one where you did a pull.
Oh yeah.
It's for the hoods. All right, y'all. So I'm about to have him do that exact pull on this same street we just did. But I'm gonna get outside the car. Can I trust you?
Yeah, you can.
I hope I can.
Trust.
I hope I can. This might be the end of the build right here, y'all. This might be the end. All right, y'all, I gotta run down. Hold up, Ruben, hold up. Go ahead, turn around. Go ahead, go, full throttle. I got him on the phone like a walkie-talkie. Just turn around and I'll tell you when to hit it, all right? All right, full throttle, go. All right, chill, slow down, slow down. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to get another video off the phone. I'm gonna hang up with him, turn this little walkie-talkie off. But I'm gonna have him do another poll so I can get one off the phone. But all right, come Ruben, come. We're gonna get this on video though. God, that thing sounds good, bro. Yo, nephew's going crazy right now. I'm not gonna cap. That thing looks good on the road though. I've never seen it like this. Sheesh. Yo, how you feeling? How you feeling? Good. Yes, sir. You low-key are whipping it. I ain't gonna lie. I can trust you. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to get like a pole or two. I can't let him be the only one getting a pole in my car. Go ahead. I'm gonna just get one right here, but turn around and come back.
It's gonna go. Sounds clean. Sounds clean. Clean.
Alright, y'all, so you might have to be the new cameraman, nephew out here. I ain't gonna lie, he did good. I don't show myself, but it's only because I don't got a cameraman. But I think I do now, yo. I think that's the start of something new.
Yeah.
But we do gotta drop him off right now in about an hour. Where you going, Ruben?
Getting some practice.
Get some practice. You about to be with the hugs?
Yep.
Low-key, I kind of want some coffee. You want some coffee, Ruben?
Yeah.
So we're gonna stop at the Signature, y'all. Get some Dutch Bros. Me and Ruben get some coffee real quick, and then we gotta drive like 40 minutes away across town and drop him off at his skiing set practice, and we'll wrap up the video right there. Things sound so good, and it was just wow for the first time, y'all. That was like my first time hearing it outside of the car. Sounds so good. I'm about to just pull over, let nephew drive. What y'all think? Yo, do another one. All right, y'all, we finally about to get the drinks. It's about time. What's up? Thank you. You too.
Looks clean.
RP bro's stomach.
Nah.
Bro's stomach is cooked after that one.
Best drink.
Yeah, it's fire.
What'd you get?
This is a Dragon Slayer Rebel.
That's good.
Yes, trust me. That's all I get y'all is Rebels. The only time I switch it up and get a coffee is that one with that Ruben guy. Picture perfect. Cheers. Cheers, chat. All right, y'all, just found a parking garage out here in Glendale. Just parked up real quick, just to wrap up this video pretty much. Man, this thing's looking clean right now. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, my nephew's actually the one who's been cleaning my car for the past like month.
I've been cooking on it.
Yeah, he's been cooking, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It looks really, really good. Like, he does the entire outside, obviously inside too. And it looks really good. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. All right, y'all, this will be the end of today's video. You got something to say, Ruben?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yes, sir. You heard him. You heard him. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, I hope y'all have a blessed day. It's your boy Roy, and I'm out.